Hey boys and girls, you are watching Tech Tricks, and in this video I am going to tell you about a hidden feature in a gallery of the Honor and the Huawei smartphones which is running on the EMUI, as you can see, EMUI, Emotion UI. So I am going to tell you the shortcut, or you can see the hidden trick in the gallery of any Honor or Huawei smartphone device. So here we go. As you can see, I have opened the gallery. Let me switch this. I have opened gallery and now I want to delete this, or suddenly I have deleted it wrongly. Now what does this? As you can see, now I want that file back. So how can I get it back? So there is a hidden feature in the gallery, that is the recently deleted option. It's a type of recycle bin in which your deleted file is displayed, or you can say stored in about for 30 days. So as you can see, the up to 30 days or 29 days. If you want to store it, restore it, you have to click on it, and you can see here are two options, that is restore and delete. So you have to restore, click on the restore button, then it will get it back into your original position. That's it in today's video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks for watching Tech Tricks, and don't forget to subscribe. Tech Tricks over and out.